So this is our athlete UV aging test chamber. Thank you for watching this operation video. When you receive the machine, first of all, you need to connect the electric power. And over there is the circuit breaker. And this is the power supply. (220 voltage, single phase). Second step is we need to add in the water. There is two ways for adding the water. The first way is we can manually adding by purified water and forbid to use tap water. Please pay notice. The water level should be more than 90%. 90. This is the first way for you to adding the water is manually adding. The second way for you to adding the water is connect a water pipe for automatically inputting the water. This port is for you to connect a water pipe here, inputting the water to the water tank. And this port is for water outlet, also connecting to the water tank for water stream out when you open this valve. And this port is also connecting the water tank, but it is a water overflow port. That means when you adding the water too many, there is a water flow sensor to detect the water. If too much water, the water will flood the pot to make a water overflow. Here. Let us open the door. This is the testing room. 2 layers sample cells. On top, we have 10 UV lamps. This is the water spray nozzles. 10 UV lamps, 5 as 1 group. So here will be 2 groups. Under the sample cells, it is the heating system. Now, let us close the door. This is the controller. First, you need to confirm your testing is fixed setting or program setting. If it is fixed setting, then you choose fixed. If it is program setting, then you choose program. Power mode. Power mode means electrical power. Stop, cold, hot. We suggest to use hot because when the electrical power we suddenly lost it, that means no electrical power. If we choose stop, that means when the power comes again, the machine will stop. If you choose cold, that means when the electric power comes again, the machine will start the testing from where it beginning. That means we'll repeat the test again. If you choose hot, that means when the electric power comes again, the machine will start the testing from where it ends. That means no need to repeat the test again. Fuse select. This is for our engineer adjust the machine before shipment. So as a user, we don't need this function, so we can ignore it. Key lock. That means if you choose on, the whole control panel will be locked. You cannot click. If you choose off, that means no lock function, but we suggest to use off will be okay. Light off, 10 minutes. Light off is mainly the background light of the controller. Let us take this setting as an example. Here is for you to edit the phase setting. Con means the condensation. Sun means the sunlight. Here you can choose condensation, sunlight, and rain. And this is for you to adding each program time. For example, condensation, I need 4 hours. Sun, I need 2 hours. Rain, I need 2 hours. It is the same. This is for you to setting the cycle. For example, I need 3 cycles. After setting the program, we come here, operation screen. Here is for setting the temperature. For example, 40 degrees centigrade. And here you can choose the lamp glue. As I mentioned before, there are 10 lamps inside testing room and 5 as a glue. So you can choose the first glue or the second glue or both. This is the black temperature, that means the black panel temperature. But for UV chamber, we cannot adjust the black panel. It is not adjustable. So you see. And this is the radiation. You can setting the radiation here. For example, 0.5 watts per square meter. Okay. After setting, then click Start to start your phase setting. Now, if you need to use program setting, come here to choose program. Here has a program set, pattern set. The first one is condensation temperature. Condensation, that means condensation. And this one is the sunlight. And this the rain. You can choose off or on according to your testing. Off, on. And you can set in the condensation temperature here, for example 30 degrees. And here for setting the sunlight temperature, for example 40 degrees. And you can also set time here, for example 2 hours. And no rain or have rain. So this is depending to your program. Here we have many programs you can set here. Total is 100 programs. After you set the program, come here. This also for setting the temperature. Pattern number. And also here you can choose the lamp 1, lamp 2. And also the radiation. After you set it, and then click Start for program setting. Here has a repeat set. This we can ignore the function here. Repeat set. For example, we just program 001 program number, right? Here you can choose the program cycles. For example, program 1, I need to cycle for 20 times. And link pattern, that means if I added program 1, I also added program 2, I can link program 1 to program 2. That means the machine will start from program 1, and then after finish program 1, it will automatically to start the program 2 setting. Pattern name. We can add each pattern name here so that you can easily remember. Reserve set. Here has a current time, that means the newest day. For example, today is 220 years and in May 22. This is the day and this is the hour. And reserve time, that means you want to make an appointment with the machine. For example, now is the current time and I want to make the machine running after 2 hours. So I need to set the reserve time here. After 2 hours. So after I click on, that means all the program that I set will automatically running after 2 hours. But please pay attention. This function must be keep the machine electrical power on. If no electrical power, that means if you close the electrical power, this reserve time function will not work. So pay attention to this. After click start, the machine will running according to your setting. This is the operation of the UV aging test chamber. Thank you for watching the video.